Welcome back to Premium Automotive Future. Today, we are taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated American performance cars, the all-new 2027 Ford Mustang GT-350. If Ford brings back the legendary GT-350 badge, enthusiasts can expect a machine that combines iconic muscle car heritage with modern technology, sharper handling, and even more aggressive styling. In today's video, we'll explore everything this exciting performance car could offer, from its exterior design and interior features to its expected performance, pricing, and whether it has what it takes to dominate the sports car segment. Make sure to subscribe to Premium Automotive Future and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reviews. The front design of the 2027 Ford Mustang GT-350 is expected to be bold, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. Ford is likely to retain the signature Mustang identity while giving the GT-350 a much more race-inspired appearance. The front fascia may feature a larger black mesh grille with improved airflow for enhanced engine cooling during spirited driving. A redesigned lower splitter could improve aerodynamics while adding an unmistakable, performance-focused look. Slim LED headlights are expected to feature advanced lighting technology with a sharper, daytime running light signature, making the GT-350 stand out both during the day and at night. Large air intakes positioned on both sides of the bumper may improve brake cooling while giving the car an even more muscular stance. The sculpted hood is expected to include functional heat extractors, allowing hot air to escape while emphasizing the powerful engine underneath. Moving to the side profile, the GT-350 is likely to continue the classic long hood and short deck proportions that have defined the Mustang for generations. Wider front and rear fenders could accommodate larger wheels and performance tires, while creating a more aggressive road presence. Lightweight forged alloy wheels, expected to measure between 19 and 20 inches, may be wrapped in high-performance Michelin or Pirelli tires for maximum grip. The side skirts are expected to improve airflow while visually lowering the car. Black mirror caps, GT-350 badging, and optional carbon fiber accents could further distinguish this high-performance model from the standard Mustang GT. The lowered suspension is expected to provide both improved handling and a more athletic stance that perfectly matches the car's racing character. At the rear, the 2027 Mustang GT-350 is expected to feature a redesigned rear diffuser with the iconic triple vertical LED taillights that have become a Mustang trademark. A larger rear spoiler may provide additional downforce at higher speeds while enhancing the aggressive styling. Quad performance exhaust tips are expected to produce a deep and unmistakable V8 soundtrack that enthusiasts love. The rear bumper design will likely include functional aerodynamic elements to improve stability while giving the car a track-ready appearance. Every detail at the back is expected to combine style with performance, making the GT-350 look just as exciting from behind as it does from the front. Inside the cabin, the 2027 Mustang GT-350 is expected to blend premium comfort with modern performance technology. Drivers may find deeply bolstered sport seats finished in leather and suede with contrast, stitching and embroidered GT-350 logos. Optional Recaro performance seats could be available for buyers planning frequent track days. The dashboard is expected to feature a large, fully digital instrument cluster alongside an updated infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ford's newest software interface may deliver faster response times, better graphics, and expanded connected services. Premium materials such as soft-touch leather, carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum accents, and Alcantara surfaces could create a cockpit that feels significantly more upscale than previous generations. A flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and customizable ambient lighting would further enhance the sporty driving experience. The GT-350 is also expected to include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, and a high-resolution surround view camera system, making it practical enough for everyday driving despite its high-performance focus. Now, let's talk about performance, which is where the GT-350 has always made its biggest statement. Although Ford has not officially confirmed final specifications, many enthusiasts expect the return of a naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering thrilling power and an unforgettable exhaust note. Power output could exceed 500 horsepower, allowing the GT-350 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4 seconds or less. Buyers may have the option of a precise 6-speed manual transmission for maximum driver engagement, while an advanced automatic transmission could also be offered for quicker acceleration and improved daily usability. Ford is expected to equip the GT-350 with upgraded adaptive suspension, larger Brembo brakes, revised steering calibration, and advanced performance electronics that improve handling on both public roads and racetracks. Multiple selectable driving modes may allow drivers to switch between comfortable daily driving and aggressive performance settings with the push of a button. Improved chassis rigidity, lightweight construction, and carefully tuned aerodynamics are also expected to make the new GT-350 more capable through corners than ever before. Whether you're accelerating down a straight highway or attacking winding mountain roads, the new GT-350 could deliver an engaging and confidence-inspiring driving experience. Fuel economy is unlikely to be the primary focus for buyers considering this car, but improvements in engine efficiency and transmission technology may help achieve better mileage than previous high-performance Mustang models, while maintaining exceptional performance. As for pricing, official figures have not yet been announced. However, industry expectations suggest that the 2027 Ford Mustang GT-350 could start around $70,000 for the base model, with fully equipped versions potentially exceeding $85,000, depending on available performance packages, carbon fiber options, premium interior upgrades, and exclusive appearance packages. If these expectations become reality, the GT-350 will compete against some of the world's most respected performance cars, while offering a unique combination of American V8 power, everyday usability, advanced technology, and unmistakable Mustang heritage. Overall, the upcoming 2027 Ford Mustang GT-350 has the potential to become one of the most exciting performance cars in its class. With aggressive styling, a driver-focused interior, advanced technology, track-capable engineering, and the possibility of a powerful naturally aspirated V8 engine, it could continue the legendary GT-350 legacy for a new generation of enthusiasts. That wraps up today's detailed review of the expected 2027 Ford Mustang GT-350. What do you think about this legendary performance car? Would you choose it over its rivals? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth automotive reviews here on Premium Automotive Future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.